Sabha, Rahul Gandhi held a press conference after the CWC meeting. Now, BJP's Pradeep Bhandari has shared a video of the press conference claiming, and I'm quoting him here, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge clearly stated that he will not read the full note and will circulate it to the press instead. Within seconds, Jairam Ramesh cut it and directed him to read it out, and Kharge ji complied. Sharing this video, BJP's Pradeep Bhandari further stated that this is how Gandhi Vadra family treats their own president. Take a look at this video that has been posted by the BJP spokesperson.
ये मैं पूरा पढ़ने से ये अच्छा होगा कि आपको सर्कुलेट किया जाएगा, तो ये अच्छा होगा।
पढ़ लीजिएगा सर, सर्कुलेट भी हो गया सर, हो जाए कर देंगे तो एक बार पढ़।
ये मैं पूरा पढ़ने से ये अच्छा होगा कि आपको सर्कुलेट किया जाएगा, तो ये अच्छा होगा।
पढ़ लीजिएगा सर, सर्कुलेट भी हो गया सर, हो जाए कर देंगे तो एक बार पढ़।
Let's go across to my colleague Pragya, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, fresh attack there coming in from the BJP over what we witnessed during the press conference, wherein Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party can be seen interrupting Mallikarjun Kharge and asking him to, read the entire note.
Well, Hina, this has become so common when it comes to Congress. In fact, there are times when Mallikarjun Kharge, the president of Congress party, himself said that there is a high command which will take decision. That also speaks very louder than words at times when it comes to the authority in the Congress, irrespective who is at the president, irrespective what they speak about internal democracy in the party, and they in fact attack BJP on having no internal democracy in the party. It makes it this particular incident also makes it very clear where the authority lies, and the authority lies only with Gandhi, irrespective of who occupies the position of president. Now compare it with BJP, where, when Nitin Nabin, who is a working national president, in fact when he arrived at the BJP headquarters, former BJP president and also Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah, JP Nadda, all were present there to welcome Nitin Nabin. That is the kind of the stature that the post has, not the person. And juxtapose this with the Congress. Congress, everyone knows that the Gandhi family is the Congress and Congress is Gandhi family. And this is probably the reason why they keep on insulting their own president and also challenging his authority as the president. And the president also knows for a fact that the high command is somewhere else. And this is exactly the reason why BJP also has attacked Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Congress, about the post of president and his authority.
Right. Pragya, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this. We are joined on the broadcast by Rashid Alvi of the Congress party. Good evening, sir. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. What do you make of this, charge by the BJP that once again the Congress president is being insulted? BJP's Pradeep Bhandari has put out a video, a small excerpt from the press conference earlier, and he says that this is how Gandhi Vadra family treats its own president.
Actually, BJP and its leadership doesn't know the meaning of democracy. That is the reason they have given such statements. If any leader has suggested something to the president of the party, there is no wrong. Ultimately, president of the party will decide whether he accepts the suggestion or he doesn't accept the suggestion. This is the inner democracy in the party. Any leader, any worker can give suggestion to the president and even any senior leader, even high command. So what is wrong in it? But ultimately, high command and president of the party decides whether they accept the suggestion or not. Because there is no democracy inside Bharatiya Janata Party. You have seen yourself for last 2 years, they are unable to select their president, All India president, and ultimately it is Prime Minister who has appointed a working president from a minister of Bihar. There is no democracy, and we always make allegation against Bharatiya Janata Party. They are They are playing with the constitution of this country, and democracy is being killed by them.
Okay. With your permission, Mr. Rashid Alvi, since we are speaking about a press conference that happened after the CWC meeting of the Congress Party, can I also ask you a question on what Digvijay Singh, in fact, had said before that, how he has, in a way, praised Sangh, how he has praised the Sangathan, the way a man, Narendra Modi, who was an ordinary Karyakarta, and how he eventually became the Chief Minister and then the Prime Minister. What do you have to say of that? And the point that he has made about the need to decentralize leadership in the Congress Party.
Again, I will repeat what I have said earlier. Digvijay ji is free to give any suggestion. I am free to suggest anything. Any leader is free to suggest anything. But ultimately, party high command decides it. So whether it suits to the party or not, who will decide? Party president will decide. If anybody is saying anything, anybody is...
he's also mentioned that it's tough to convince Rahul Gandhi. What is he trying to say?
It is he who will explain it. But what I am saying, that everybody is free to give suggestions, whatever suggestions he thinks proper in the interest of the party. And ultimately, High Command decides what is wrong in it.
All right. Mr. Rashid Alvi, we appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Now, viewers, Congress's implosion appears almost certain, even as there are several people in the party who do not think so. But what Digvijay Singh, a senior Congress leader, has put out, it has sparked a row. It has sparked curiosity as well as speculation. Now, this follows an indirect dig at Rahul Gandhi on 19th of December. The veteran leader's fresh salvo comes after his pitch for a decentralized leadership. In the post, Digvijay also highlighted the functioning of the RSS and flagged the rise of the Prime Minister, hinting at possible concerns within the Congress High Command. BJP has now hit out at the opposition, claiming that Congress Party, has got a centralized leadership structure, which is very, very different from how Sangh or BJP functions.
देखिए, वो बड़ी प्रसिद्ध पिक्चर है जिसमें माननीय अडवाणी जी बैठे हुए हैं और उस समय युवा कार्यकर्ता थे श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, वो नीचे बैठे हुए हैं, अडवाणी जी बैठे हुए हैं चेयर के ऊपर। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की कार्यशैली का एक प्रतीक है कि धरातल से जुड़ा हुआ व्यक्ति किस प्रकार अपनी प्रतिभा, क्षमता और संगठन के सहयोग से शीर्ष स्तर पर पहुंचकर भारत के सबसे लोकप्रिय और विश्व के सबसे लोकप्रिय नेतृत्व के रूप में उभरने में सफल होता है। तो कहीं ना कहीं दिग्विजय सिंह जी को भी, अब वो बहुत वरिष्ठ हो गए हैं, राजनीति को उन्होंने देखा है, तो इस रूप में जाके हो सकता है उन्हें इस बात का एहसास हो रहा हो, क्योंकि हमारे श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी गुदड़ी के लाल हैं और उनका नेतृत्व जवाहर के लाल जी से है, तो वो अप साइड डाउन है, इसलिए अपनी पार्टी को अप साइड डाउन लेके आए हैं। हमारे नरेंद्र मोदी जी गुदड़ी के लाल हैं, वो बॉटम से अप उठे हैं, तो पार्टी को भी बॉटम से अप करके ऊपर तक ले जा रहे हैं।
हमें गर्व है कि हम जमीन से जुड़े हुए नेता हैं। आपकी तरह जमीन को लूटने वाले नेता नहीं हैं। आपके तो प्रथम परिवार में जमीन घोटाले की कितनी बड़ी फहरिस्त है, उसके बारे में बताने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। हमें गर्व है कि हम तो अपने से बड़े नेताओं से प्रेरणा लेते हैं, उनका आदर सम्मान करते हैं, पर आपकी पार्टी में तो परिवार है और परिवार के दरबारी है। ताउम्र आप दरबारी बने बैठ सकते हैं, परंतु केवल और केवल एक परिवार के हाथ में ही सत्ता है। हम तो जमीन से जुड़े हुए हैं और आपके तो पैर जमीन पर टिक ही नहीं पा रहे।
And viewers, amid the entire controversy, Digvijay Singh issued a clarification as well, but he maintained that he had appreciated the Sangathan. But he also said that he continues to oppose the RSS and the Prime Minister and their policies quite strongly. He also said that whatever his concerns were, he's raised in CWC as well. And whatever he had to say about the issue of decentralization of leadership, he has already mentioned. Listen in.
मैंने संगठन की तारीफ की है और मैं आरएसएस का और मोदी जी का, उनकी नीतियों का घोर विरोधी था, हूँ और रहूंगा। संगठन को मजबूत करना उसका तारीफ करना क्या बुरी बात है?
क्या केसी वेणुगोपाल पर आप सवाल उठा रहे हैं? संगठन महासचिव
किसने उठाया? किसने उठाया?
जो कांग्रेस संगठन को लेकर जो आप क्या
pragmatic decentralized functioning, what do you mean by that?
What I said.
दिग्विजय सर,
So when you say decentralization, what sort of decentralization are you looking? क्या
Because in
चाहते
this
हैं आप?
vast country, if you see my tenure as chief minister, if you see my tenure as a PCC president, I have functioned only through a decentralized manner.
चुनाव आयोग में जिस तरह के सुधार की जरूरत है, उसी तरह कांग्रेस के संगठन में सुधार की जरूरत है। तो कांग्रेस संगठन को लेकर ठीक काम नहीं कर रही है।
भूमिका और अहम होनी
कांग्रेस
चाहिए।
संगठन को लेकर ठीक
देखिए
की भूमिका और अहम होनी चाहिए।
बात ये है जो कुछ मुझे कहना था मैंने कह दिया।